My name is Ayushi Chaudhary. I'm the faculty of Computer Science and Engineering department. Today I'm going to discuss about Java. What is Java? Java is an object-oriented high-level programming language. It was first developed at Sun Microsystem by James Gosling in the early 1990s. He first named the programming language as Oak and later converted it into Java. Java is claimed to be a simple, secure, portable, robust, multi-threaded, and platform-independent language. Java, being an object-oriented programming language, has four major paradigms, which are inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism and information hiding. Encapsulation is the wrapping up of data and members into a single unit, just like the capsule, how we encapsulate the medicine into a single capsule. The class, variables, and methods are being wrapped into a single unit. Inheritance is a mechanism where the properties and behavior of parent class is being inherited to the child class. In Java, information hiding can be achieved using access modifiers like private, protected, and public modes. Polymorphism, as the name suggests, polymorphism means multiple forms, as poly means multiple and morphism means forms. So, converting the codes into multiple forms is known as using constructor or constructor. We can do. It is the ability to process objects depending on their class. Now I'll discuss between the difference between the C and Java language. C is a procedural language and Java is an object-oriented programming language. C supports pointers but Java does not support pointers. C is a platform-dependent language and Java is a platform-independent language. C has preprocessor directives like hash define or hash include kind of header files, but Java has packages which has already defined codes which can be reused in any class. So basically we can import packages and use it in a class, so it supports reusability. In C the codes are being compiled and in Java the codes are being interpreted. C does not support multi-threaded or interfaces but Java does. Even exception handling. C does not support exception handling but Java supports exception handling. Now I would explain the functioning or the way how the program has been returned and converted into bytecode to make it a platform independent code. When we write the program, the source code first get compiled and converted into bytecode or in .class format. Then using the Java interpreter, the codes being executed or interpreted by line and executed. And because of this, the Java language is known as platform independent because the byte code can be transferred to any another system and can be run using the JIT, which is a Java interpreter. Java programs are basically available in two flavors which are applet and applications. Applet is basically a web-based programming language where the program appears embedded as a web document and can be run using a browser. And the another flavor is an application which is same as the another language programming to solve complex problem as done in C, C++ or Python, etc. Java has its own program called Applet Viewer to run applet. What is a class? A class is a group of objects where they all are defined in a defined form as a logical entity. It is a template or blueprint where objects are being created. A class in Java is fields, methods, blocks, nested blocks and class interfaces. To save a Java program, we need to save the program as the name of the class, because if we don't write the name of the class to run a program won't run on a Java interpreter or JIT. To explain how to write a program that needs to be written with the starting of a class and then defining the objects, variables or methods into that class only. We can't write a variable or declare a variable or a method outside the class. We can only access variables or methods which are defined into the class. Java has its own runtime environment which is called as JRE. To run a Java program, we need to install JDK, which is a Java development kit which provide a Java runtime environment to run a Java program. Without that, a Java program can't be run.